What if I told you? You don't feel tired because you're getting older. You don't have brain fog because you're stressed. And you don't feel inflamed because life is just busy. What if the real problem is this? Your body is drowning in toxins. Not because there are too many, but because your detox system is failing. And the most important mineral that controls this entire system? It's not magnesium. It's not zinc. It's not even vitamin C. It's something most people never think about. Stay with me, because this might completely change how you think about detox forever. Most people believe this. I have too many toxins. I need a detox. So they buy juice cleanses, expensive powders, 3-day liver flush kits. But here's the truth. You don't usually have a toxin overload problem. You have a detoxification efficiency problem. That's a massive difference. Your body is designed to handle toxins. It has a built-in detox factory running 24/7. But that factory requires fuel. And when that fuel is missing, toxins don't leave. They recycle. They recirculate. They get stored in fat. And you feel exhausted. At the top of your detox pyramid is one molecule. Glutathione. This is the master antioxidant of the human body. Every single cell makes it. Not just your liver. Your brain uses it. Your immune system uses it. Even your mitochondria depend on it. And here's why that matters. Inside every cell are tiny energy factories called Mitochondrion. These mitochondria produce ATP, your energy currency. But during energy production, your body naturally creates corrosive byproducts like hydrogen peroxide. Yes, the same stuff in your medicine cabinet. Without glutathione, that damage builds up. Your mitochondria slow down. Energy crashes. Inflammation rises. Brain fog sets in. So detox isn't just about your liver. It's about protecting your energy factories. Here's where things get scary. You need energy to detox. But toxins damage your mitochondria. Damaged mitochondria equals low energy. Low energy equals poor detox. Poor detox equals more toxins. That's the vicious cycle. This is why people say, I tried detoxing and I felt worse. Of course you did. You released toxins. But your system didn't have the power to eliminate them. So they backed up. Headaches. Fatigue. Right side rib discomfort. Brain pressure. That's not random. That's traffic jam detox. So why not just supplement glutathione? Here's the problem. It's poorly absorbed. It breaks down quickly. Your body prefers to make its own. And to do that, it needs 3 things. Amino acids, especially from quality protein. A healthy liver. And one tiny but critical mineral. The mineral that activates and supports glutathione is selenium. Not grams. Not milligrams. Micrograms. Tiny amounts. Massive impact. Selenium is required for enzymes that activate glutathione. But it does something even more powerful. It supports your thyroid. And your thyroid controls bile production. Now why does bile matter? Because bile is how your body exports toxins. No bile flow equals no toxin exit. Your liver packages toxins. But bile carries them out. Without proper thyroid function, bile slows down. Gallbladder doesn't contract properly. Constipation increases. Estrogen clearance drops. That's why people with low thyroid often feel toxic and sluggish. Selenium quietly supports this entire system. The most concentrated natural source? Brazil nuts. Just 1 to 2 per day can meet your needs. Other sources: eggs, organ meats, seafood, shellfish. But here's the issue. Modern soil is depleted, which means food today doesn't always contain what it used to. That's why so many people unknowingly run low. We live in a world of plastics, pesticides, forever chemicals, seed oils, processed foods. You have two choices. Try to hide from everything. Or upgrade your internal defense system. Stop obsessing over detoxing. Start strengthening detox capacity. Because when your glutathione is strong, when your thyroid is optimized, when bile flows properly, your body does what it was designed to do. Protect, clean, energize, and thrive. If this opened your eyes, hit subscribe, because next, I'm going to show you the one antioxidant inside the mitochondria that may be even more powerful than glutathione. And most people have never heard of it.